So tomorrow morning, 5:30 a.m, I am leaving the house and I'm going to do the longest run I have ever done. And you are coming with me. We're going to be doing a 50-kilometer run, which is just over 31 miles. So the furthest I've run before was marathon distance. I would have been doing a marathon this year as well. I was going to do the London Marathon. That's been postponed. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll be October this year. Otherwise, it's going to be next year. So by definition, this run is an ultra marathon. So it's my very first ultra marathon. And it's something that I plan to do this year. I really want to do an ultra marathon. And I would have been doing an ultra marathon last weekend. It's called Race to the Stones. It looks like a really good ultra marathon, but again, that's been postponed. It's next year. So instead of saying to myself, I can't do an ultra marathon this year because they've been cancelled, I'm just going to go out and do an ultra marathon, and I am going to take my camera with me, I'm taking you with me, and we're going to do it. I think I'm going to do it. I'm 95% there. It's a big distance, there's no one cheering me on, there's no aid stations. It's going to be tough, I think, because it's just mentally, I haven't done it before, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it. I love the progress on this because summer 3 years ago, I'd literally just done my first 10k race. So yeah, we're like 3 years down the line now, and I'm doing an ultra marathon, which is brilliant. So what we're going to do is go and pack my stuff and get my stuff ready. Let's go. So I've got all my stuff behind me just here. I am just missing one thing, and I hope my wife can find them when she gets out of the bath, and that is my underwear. They are the most comfortable pants you will ever wear. So what we've got here, breakfast, banana. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. Tonight, just a bit of gentle foam rolling, Adidas Adizero Bostons. They're gonna be ready to go. All this is going at the bottom of the stairs. So when I wake up, I can kind of like go down really quietly, make sure I don't wake up the kids. Clothes I'm wearing are gonna be quite light. Just these Adidas running socks just there. These Adidas shorts just here, they're really light, really nice. I'm gonna wear last year's London Marathon top just there. ADV Salmon Skin Set 12. So I've got the 2 drinks bottles on the front just here. I'm gonna be putting Tailwinds into that. Really love these. I got these for Christmas. The idea for these was, this year was going to be a massive racing year for me. I was going to do all sorts of races, but they're all being cancelled and postponed. So these go on my shoelaces, and my daughter's names are on these, so they are pushing me through all my races. Nippies, these are for my nipples. Got some gels just there as well that I'm going to put in the pockets just here. I'm not going to fill this up, but I'm going to put some extra water in here. This will then go in the back of my bag, and it'll loop through, just so I've got plain water on top of the Tailwind. I'm going to be taking this camera with me just here, my bandana headband as well, which I love wearing at races and just generally love as well. So I think we are pretty much ready to go. For dinner tonight, I'm having lasagna and garlic bread. Hopefully I'll sleep well, and the next thing will be us getting up in the morning and going out. Let's smash this. So a proper good morning, guys. I am just over a mile in now. If you've got a Garmin, you'll know that it'll flash up near the start of your run with your performance rating. Yeah, mine had a performance rating of -1 this morning, but it knows nothing. It's just a watch on my arm. So I'm feeling really good. I had a really good sleep last night, like one of those non-stop sleeps. So I was really happy with that. I think I've got everything planned well. It should be a really good day. So that's mile 1 down, 30 to go. Cool, so there's mile 2. My average pace at the minute is 10:24, so I can keep it about that. I'll be really happy. I do want to go off a lot faster, but I need to keep loads in the tank today. Loads and loads in the tank. So there's the first 6 miles done. I'm just coming up to the first 10k now. I'm feeling really, really good, which is just brilliant. Obviously it's going to get harder and harder as we get past those 20 miles. But yeah, I'm really confident that if I just keep this pace, we'll do really good. So I kind of keep finding myself speeding up a little bit. I look at my watch and we're going around 9 minutes. So I just slow it back down again. But got a few little hills, nothing major. Got my first one coming up in about 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna take that really steady. Then on the other side, just enjoy the ride down. See you in a bit. So there we are, mile 10, and I'm feeling really good, or at least that's what I'm telling myself. No, seriously, I'm feeling good. So in about 5 miles, we're gonna be at the halfway point, and we're gonna be going into my back garden, and that's the one aid station set up. So my wife's gonna set up a little table. There's gonna be some bits on there. She never lets me down, so I'm quite excited. And that put me in good spirits for the second half then. Absolutely beautiful day today. Nice blue skies. So at some point I definitely want to do a run through the desert. A multi-day event would be really good. So I do have to get used to running in the heat. So, aid station, just under 5 miles. Whoa. Awesome, guys.
How's it going?
Run, Daddy. That's amazing, guys.
I did that.
That's amazing.
I did your favourite colour. I did blue for you.
Blue, my favourite colour. This is such a cool aid station.
How many miles are you on?
115 so far.
Oh wow.
14.86.
There you go.
Freddos as well. Whose idea was that?
So,
That's so cool. So thank you, jelly babies.
Mum, is it all
I'll
for
take the crisps
Daddy?
with me. Orange dew. Now that's a surprise, isn't it?
Mummy.
When I was at London, and I was on about mile 23 the first time, there's a lady there with a tray of oranges, and I tell the story to people that it was like the best thing ever. Put it on my head. Go on then. Well, that's refreshing. Right, I love you all. Thanks loads for that.
say good luck, Daddy.
Thank you. And you.
I go.
See you in a bit.
I go.
Right. Let's go back to this. So that aid station was wow cool. I got the most supportive family ever. Bex, you're amazing. Thank you so much for that. We are just coming up to mile 18. About a mile after I left home, my legs were feeling really heavy because I'd stopped. And all my brain was saying is, just walk. Just walk. But I kind of run through it. And I feel good again. I feel very good now. Not as great as I did this morning, but I still feel really, really good. So I'm looking forward to hitting mile 20 now. So come on, mile 20. Hello, mile 20. So yeah, I've been running for quite a bit to get to you. I've changed my bandana for my hat, as you can see. I've still got my bandana with me. It's just a case of not wanting to get sunburned today. I'm 10k away from doing a marathon distance now. So there we are, we're at marathon distance. Excellent. So every minute after this now is my kind of counts towards my longest run, I guess. So hey guys, welcome to my longest run. Still got a little bit to go though to get to the landmark I want to get to, or the milestone I should say, the milestone being 50 kilometres. So got about another 5 miles yet. So I'm feeling okay. I feel like I've got energy. My legs are starting to feel tired though, especially my glutes. I can feel them kind of tightening up a bit. But yeah, this is awesome. So 10k 3 years ago, ultra marathon today. So this is one of my best achievements for a while. I'd say my best before this was getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That was absolutely awesome. So thanks for your comments and everything, guys, and everyone that's followed me over the last year. Next milestone, mile 30. Boom. So it's almost mile 30. I was getting really tired, and this lot shows up with jelly babies, don't you guys?
Yeah.
Seeing them at that point was absolutely perfect. I got to mile 27 and a half-ish, and I had to walk a little bit. Ran out of tailwind. It's just my water in my backpack. Didn't quite take enough gels with me. They gave me jelly babies. Got a few more in my pocket, and just seeing them was enough to lift me up as well. So 29.78 miles. So not far to go, guys. Not far to go. Feeling great now again, feeling great. I've done it. 5 hours, 36 minutes and 51 seconds. I can't believe it. Feels amazing. Average pace 10:48. I was never after the pace, so it was just finishing, but yeah, I'm happy with that. Really, really happy. It's time to grab a Coca-Cola and have a rest. Woo.
Daddy, I got tea for you.
Oh, amazing. Thanks, Emmy. You're the best. And Coke meeting me at the end of the road. You guys are amazing. Brilliant, guys. Thanks for your support and help at the end.
We thought we'd go for a big walk up the hills now.
Oh.
We got a picnic.